really energetic, and he always motivates the students. Okay, and the student also get inspiration from this person. Always helpful. Now, I'd like to request to our special guest of this program, Mr. Alamgir sir, to say something for our students that his perspective of English fantasy and journey of English fantasy and how will be the journey of IELTS of the students. Okay, please share something, sir, from your side. Please be, sir.
Thank you very much. So, how are you this morning? Excited? How much? Very much. Well, thank you very much for inviting me to this, auspicious occasion of English fantasy on the second celebration, right? Second anniversary. Last night, when Rajan told me, I couldn't resist. But I came here this morning because I avoid that program. Because I know him since I have been many years, and I saw the growth of English fantasy. I saw the growth of English fantasy. I know the effort, I know the labor behind this esteemed organization. And as a LIAB Chief Advisor, Language Instructor Association of Bangladesh, and English Fantasy is also a registered member of LIAB, and he himself, Mr. Rajan, is a member of LIAB. So we have that much responsibility to take care of English fantasy. As I was sharing with you, I saw this institute grow, and you'll be surprised to know the ratio, like 1:50. What does it mean? When Rajan started this organization, that was confined in 212 square feet. Now the premises, if I only talk about the premises, now it's about 10,000 square feet, right? So 50 times growth. And I was talking to him, this gentleman, this visionary man. I was sitting in his room and I was talking to him. By next year, 2025, he wants to grow his institute by 150%. Yes. And it's because of you people. You the students, right? Because you are coming with the belief that English fantasy will help you to get you to the destination. And if you get the real taste and result from here, I'm sure you'll recommend your friends here, right? Am I right or wrong? You'll definitely recommend your friends, relatives to come here to join English fantasy, right? And how are you doing? How do you feel? If I say something about the faculty lineup, as I know they're doing their best. Are you satisfied with the facilities, with the teaching methods? Sorry? Have you taken breakfast this morning? Huh? Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in the near future. Thank you.